to my fiance. Today's the day that I get to finally call you mine forever. I can never thank you enough for everything you have done for me. And the wonderful things you have yet to do. You are my best friend, my forever soulmate, and soon to be the best mommy to our little boy. I know there will be times when we fight, get mad, and you will probably cry. I can hear it. But we all know you can't stay mad at me for more than 20 minutes. When you are sad, I will be your shoulder to cry on. When you are happy, I will be there to laugh with you. Today is our special day, and I can't wait to see how beautiful you look in your dress. You're the love of my life, and without you, I can't imagine what I would be. You support me in everything I do, and I truly am grateful for that. I love you so much, and I can't wait for us to start our life together.
It's our wedding day. I cannot believe the day is actually here. Oh, I've been writing in this journal since a year of us dating because I knew then you were the one for me. Oh, sorry. You are everything I wanted, even more of everything I didn't know I needed. You bring out the best in me. You are my soulmate. You have the biggest heart and make me the happiest girl in this world. I'm my happiest and most content when I'm with you. You make all my worries and bad days better. I can't wait to start our lives together and watch you be a dad to our sweet boy. I love you with my whole heart. I love you, Morgan. Sorry.
You may now seal this covenant by kissing your bride.